Hi guys, here's another video that I wanted to make about a recipe that I made for Memorial Day. It's super easy and you don't even have to put it in the oven. All you need is banana, strawberries, blueberries, skewers, and a knife. Make sure you wash your berries to get all of the yuckies off. There's some dirt on berries that you can barely see, but you just want to make sure it's off. And you want to get about 7 skewers. And you're going to chop up your bananas, but make sure a parent does it. You're also going to cut the tops off of the strawberries, and you're going to cut the strawberries in half. You're going to place the berries exactly how you see in the picture. You're going to want to put the berries on the top in first, and they go in the pointy end of the skewer. I suggest lining up your skewers on a plate, not on a table. I just put it on a table because it was easy to show you guys. And here's the final product. It is meant to resemble the American flag. It's pretty, it's fun to make, and it's healthy for you. I don't know about you guys, but I keep all my food scraps. So those little strawberry tops you saw in the beginning that I cut off, I ended up feeding them to my rabbit, and he loved them. Any other scraps I have, I like to put in my compost garden with the worms, and the worms get to eat it and turn it into more dirt. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you guys have a great day.